follow time frame. I remember a quotation of Peter Drucker. He says, time is the scarcest resources of a manager. If it is not managed, nothing else can be managed. You can buy anything in the world, but not time. But the question is, how do you manage a resource? There is a law called Parkinson's law, which says the work on hand will expand to occupy the available space of time. Any work on hand. For example, if you take a half an hour for lunch, you will finish the lunch in half an hour. If somebody gives you 45 minutes time for lunch, still for the same task of having your lunch, you will take 45 minutes. Just imagine a container and a gas. If a gas is contained in a container, let us say a cylinder, right? The gas is kept in that space. If it is released, the gas will occupy the entire room. Time is like that. So one way to contain time is to follow what is called time frame. I'm sure you know what a frame is. You go to a shop and buy a frame, you have a photograph. You should match the photograph and the frame. You may have a frame, you may want a picture, so you buy a picture which will fit into the frame. Or you have a picture, you want a frame, you go for a frame which will suit the picture. This analogy is very, very important. Time frame means start point, end point. Right. Let's say that you want to read newspaper. Decide how long you want to read newspaper. 30 minutes, budget 35 minutes. If you want to watch television, you want to watch television for about half an hour, budget for 40 minutes, no problem. If you want to go and gossip with your friends, schoolmates, college mates, if you want to do that for an hour, budget for 10 minutes more. But at the end of the time, you cut short that activity. These days, there are a lot of gadgets available. In every mobile phone, there is a timer available. You could have a small reminder system. I noticed this among successful people. They're very conscious time passing. Right? If they give you an appointment half an hour, they're very clear, half an hour from to. Right? Now, this simple time frame rule will release a lot of time. Hereafter, do not say that I want to spend time. Use the word I want to invest. The moment you use the word investment, all these things will make a very big difference. As I have been very clearly, repeatedly saying, time is a most valuable resource. You cannot squander away time. Like a resource of water, like a resource of money, mission, manpower, time is a resource. So follow time frame. You don't have become a time nut. Be gracious with people, but ruthless with time. Do this and see what happens, the quality of your life.